A company exploring for onshore gas in the Northern Territory says the Beetaloo Basin has the potential to solve the East Coast gas crisis. Tamboran Resources expects to begin sending gas to the East Coast within 3 years.
It's the massive onshore gas reserve that revolutionised the US energy market. Development of the Marcellus shale deposit in Pennsylvania reduced domestic gas prices and saw the US become a net energy exporter. As Australia's East Coast battles a gas supply crisis, there are hopes our own Marcellus could soon be tapped.
If you compare the size and scale of the Beetaloo versus the analog that we point to in the Marcellus shale in Pennsylvania, we think it has incredible potential.
Joel Riddle is the Managing Director of Tamboran Resources, a company exploring for gas in the Northern Territory's Beetaloo Basin. He says early results have been promising.
Really gives us a quite bullish type position to accelerate a pilot development in the Beetaloo as quickly as building up by 2025.
Tamboran has signed an agreement with Gemini to transport gas to the East Coast via the company's Northern Gas Pipeline. It hopes to send 100 terajoules a day to the East Coast within 3 years, but has plans for greater volumes by the end of the decade.
We've been working with our partner Gemini around looking at a 36-inch pipeline capable of producing up to a BCF a day into the East Coast market. And that's something we're pretty excited about accelerating as quickly as possible after we get the pilot on.
While it enjoys bipartisan support, the development of the Beetaloo Basin hasn't been without controversy. Environmental activists have run a fierce campaign opposing the onshore gas industry. And pastoral company Rallin Australia took Tamboran to court to try to prevent it accessing land. But Mr Riddle says the gas from the Beetaloo could play a role in Australia's low emissions future.
Low CO2 gas out of the Beetaloo, in my mind, is one of the biggest climate initiatives on the planet, given that you can take this gas and displace coal-fired electricity.
Matt Cunningham, Sky News, Darwin.